everyone, and welcome to Girls Talk World. It's Carly here, and today we're going to be making some donut jars. So these can be used to keep your stationery in, paintbrushes, or literally whatever fits in there and you think looks nice. Let's go. First, you're going to need some nice pastel paint, a jar or two, or three, depends however you want to make, and some paintbrushes. I've got mixed sizes here, so I can do some with the bigger details and some with the small. So yeah, let's go. I'm going for a lovely lavender lilac colour that I'm going to create my first jar. And then I've gone for my bigger brushes because I've got, quite a lot of surface area to cover. So this might take a few coats to get the sort of brightness that we want, because as you can see from the first little layer, you can sort of still see the glass. The lovely thing about painting is that it's really therapeutic, and I honestly haven't done too much of it, but I think I will from now on. And I think the best way is to just do downward strokes, because if you do a mixture of, like, say, side to side, up to up, then you might see the brush strokes a little bit, so try and get them straight down in order to create sort of the best finished look. But once you've layered enough on and you think it's thick enough, then you can leave it to dry for a short while and then come back and do another coat. When you're happy with how your jar is looking, then yeah, go leave it to dry, because if you try to do it when it's wet, it's just gonna be a little bit of a mess and you'll probably end up smudging it. So try be patient and it will pay off. So for the second stage, we're going to draw on the donut, paint on the donut. So you can either do this and do a little hack and a cheat in pencil, draw a circle and then follow it. But the only thing with that is that you might see the pencil marks afterwards, so you need to make sure you cover them up. Or you can try to be brave and do a circle freehand. Now it doesn't need to be perfect, just a rough circular shape. And then once again, this will need a few layers in order to get the right colour. And remember to leave a hole in the middle. Most important bit, leave a hole in the middle of the donut hole. Then once you're happy with your donut shape, leave to dry. And now I'm going to do the icing on this purple jar. So I'm going to go for some yellow icing splodges and hope that they look good. As it's a splodge, you don't need it to look too perfect again. And if you go over the edges, just make sure you sort of go over it again and smooth it out. And yeah, we may need to do a couple layers of this so you get that perfect popping colour. Then once you've got that looking pretty much spot on, just go over any bits that are looking a little paler, and then, again, leave to dry. So now it's time to do some sprinkles on the purple jar. So I found this brush which actually looks a sprinkle size. I'm not sure if that's going to work too well. If not, just go for a fine tip like one of these, but we'll give it a go. So on the yellow, I think maybe some pink and blue and maybe a little bit of white sprinkles. Let's see how it goes. Just gently dab them on, add in some more paint to your brush when you need to. And remember, of course, to leave some room for the other colours. And now I'm gonna go in to dip into the blue. And finally, just gonna add a few white ones. And then you're pretty much all done. And once your donut pots are all dry, then you can put whatever you like in them. I've gone for some lovely pencils there, and they're ready to go on your windowsill, or wherever you want to keep them really. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!